Hey guys, it's Laura. I'm on a little filming streak tonight, so if you see these same chipped up nails, I apologize. I am pre-filming. It is June 13th right now, and I'm planning for July 16th to July 22nd. This is the end of my trip. I come home on the 17th, so the 18th through the 22nd, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing. Probably a lot of I don't know, Pilates, unpacking, that kind of thing. And I'm going to use this kit from Glam Planner. This is from the July mystery kit last year. Oh gosh, that glare. I'm sorry, my filming quality is not good now that I've moved my desk and I don't know what I'm doing. It's really dark. Okay, let's try that. We'll just have to work with the glare. Okay, so this is from the July mystery last year, like I said, and it has a boat, a hat and a bag with like the ocean, this like ocean scene, a sailboat, the like turbulent water, a lighthouse with Let Your Light Shine, and this girl, her red sunglasses and pink lips totally throw me off, but oh well. We have really pretty glitter headers. We have the like stormy sea looking in the background of the checklist, which I love. We have wood grain, love, 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 love everything. Deco, weekend banner, flags, habit trackers, etc. Oops, you guys know the deal. Habit trackers, date covers, icons, little things, headers, and the really awesome bottom washi with washi strips. So we're gonna start there. And this is a perfect week to use this kit because I won't be on the sea necessarily, but I will be on a boat because I will be up at Lake Superior on the 16th, and we are going on a boat tour that day. So it's perfect. Also, nautical stuff makes me think July, so I do a lot of nautical type spreads in July. Once it's August, I'm working again, and I'm like not in that vacation mode anymore. So I don't feel like it's as fun. Okay, so we're gonna use this Let Your Light Shine. Maybe I should put the girl. Maybe that would throw me off less. Maybe I'll put the girl in the corner. And then where do I want to put everything? I might do scattered on these days. That might be fun. So maybe I'll do the quote on Thursday then. Oh, I have a doctor's appointment this week too. I think it's this day. I can't remember. Okay, then this is like the scene, so we'll put this on the weekend. Should we do scattered everywhere? I haven't done that in a long time. But I have some white space between here and the bottom, so I think it'll be okay. Yeah, that's not bad. I like the water. Okay, so I need a box up here. Maybe one of these lighter ones. I just don't know which boat. I think I'll put this boat on the day that we're going on the boat tour. And then I'll put this boat here. Okay. So that means this boat is Monday. We have a stormy sea and the girl, or not the girl, the hat. So I probably don't want the stormy sea. I'll probably put them like this. We'll do bottom with this one. We'll put this turbulent water up here. And then we'll put this one in the middle. That works. Lovely. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so those were all of the full boxes. The checklists are a little bit easier to work with, but I don't know. No, I'll still probably put one every day. I just run out of room so fast. But I could layer over the bottom washi because it's not that big of a deal for the pattern. So maybe I won't really worry about it. All right, so I think Monday we'll put at the bottom. Tuesday we'll put in the middle, obviously. And then Wednesday will be top. Thursday, I guess we could do the same thing, bottom, middle, top, top. That'll work. I like that some of the water is like more green, some of it's more blue. It looks very real. And then two more. Okay. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. So we've got one of those left over that I could use in the sidebar if I need to. We have washi strips. So now we have glitter headers and we also have regular headers, but I'm pretty sure I want to use the glitter headers because they're so pretty. Okay, so I think I have most of, oh no, I need something else here. I was gonna say most of what I need in here. And yes, it's most of it. So I just need a car maybe. I just used a car though. Home, that works. Okay, so Monday I will be in Duluth, Minnesota, we're going on a boat trip. Oh, I maybe should have put that somewhere. Okay, so we'll do the boat trip here. This is check-in for my flight. That's super important because my flight is Tuesday. I have a video hopefully going up that day, and then we'll road trip from Duluth back to my parents' house. This day I have my flight, I have my Simply Gilded bill due, and then I'll write in whatever, like whoever's picking me up from the airport. It'll probably be my friend Monique, but just in case it's not. And then Wednesday will be my first day back in Colorado, so I'm sure I'll have groceries and things that I need to buy this day, and then I should have a video. I don't know if I'll have a video this day or not, but I can always use it for something else. Thursday I have a doctor's appointment, maybe a video, otherwise this will be filming for Friday. Saturday is usually editing and uploading. Sunday is usually my Erin Condren plan with me for the next week. And I might be using a Creating & Co. Peach Tea Kit next week. That's what it looks like, but we'll see when I come back. So I'm going to leave all of this as white space because, like I said, I don't know what else is going on. I will have to fit in a whole bunch of Pilates before the end of the month because I will have 8 Pilates sessions to use between the 17th this week and to here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days. So basically every other day I'll need to go to Pilates to get all 8 of those in, but that's fine. I won't have really anything else I need to be doing during this time. So let me lift you up just a smidge. So here is my spread for the week. I'm glad I put her over on this side because, like I said, her glasses kind of throw me off, and her lipstick because there's no other red anywhere. I think it is super beautiful. I love the bottom washi. I love that I have a boat for Monday because I'll be on a boat trip. And yeah, I think it turned out really nice. I have tons left to use, so if you want to see updates, just check Instagram. Obviously, I'm filming this like a month ahead of time, so it will get filled in, and I'll try to remember when I do this plan with me to flip back through all these weeks that you didn't see to show you like finished spreads of them. I will try to remember. But there you go. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will also link the Glam Planner Buy Sell Trade, so if you're looking for this kit, you can ask on there if anybody has it. It's the July 2017 mystery kit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for hanging with me for all of these videos that were pre-filmed, and I will see you in a recent video very, very soon. Bye!